Say goodbye to manual email logging. Introducing the Email Archiver for SuiteCRM 8, your smart, AI-powered solution for automated email logging using IMAP with Gmail app password integration. Using this product, all emails and attachments can be auto-logged into SuiteCRM, securely, accurately, and without manual work. Before we begin, we first need to create a Gmail app password, which is essential for your IMAP configuration. If you're using another third-party email platform, your app password will simply be your regular email account password. Now, moving on to Gmail app password creation. Go to myaccount.google.com. Ensure two-step verification is on, under, security. Click on it. Click on App Passwords. Let's name it Email Archiver. Select Create. Click on Done, and copy the 16-character password. You will see that the app has been created successfully. Store this password at a safe location. We will need it later on. Now, let us delve deep into our product and understand why it is so important for you. Let me ask you a few questions. Is your sales team finding it hard to coordinate? When a sales representative leaves, does your team scramble to find context during client handovers? Is it difficult for your sales manager to find visibility into client interactions? Are your deals dropping because of mismanaged inbox? Email Archiver for SuiteCRM 8 IMAP with Gmail app password is built precisely to solve this problem. To see why this product matters, let's start with a common challenge faced by sales teams. Olivia is a hard-working sales executive who has been given the task of managing numerous clients. She is quite diligent and works hard on each client. She is continuously emailing leads, sending updates, taking follow-ups, documenting conversations in CRM, and keeping her manager informed. The problem here is that she is doing all of that manually. Manually managing clients on emails can lead to innumerable problems such as, Olivia can forget to log emails in the CRM platform. Some of the replies can get buried in the inbox and forgotten. Her manager can struggle to solve the problem as he has no visibility into conversations. When a customer reaches out in Jason's absence, her team can struggle to piece all the details together. In Olivia's case, not only will the accountability suffer, but missed follow-ups and slipped deals will become a common occurring. For SMEs, this is a common scenario and leads to far bigger problems such as lack of complete and reliable communication history, high manual workload, no single point of reference for the team, missed opportunities and bad customer experience.
How about a one-stop solution that can fix all of that? Introducing Email Archiver for SuiteCRM 8. Email Archiver is a simple yet powerful feature that automatically saves your email conversations and attachments to your CRM, just by adding a special email address when you send an email. Instead of manually copying and pasting messages into the CRM, you simply email a unique address like email@yourcrm.com, and the system takes care of the rest. It logs the email under the respective module like contacts, leads, or accounts, even if the person replies later. Here's the best part. Adding this unique inbound email address to BCC lets you hide it from all the recipients. Only you can see it. So, in short, our product can keep conversations synced, secure, and visible to your entire team. Ensure automatic logging of email data, no manual work required. Work with any email client, Gmail, Outlook, mobile apps. Make automation easy to implement. All you have to do is add just one email address. Let me list you out its core features. Direct integration,
IMAP with app password,
email subject-based auto-association, email body-based auto-association, active opportunity attachment, smart AI email attachment analyzer, attachment logging. Let us understand and demonstrate the features one by one.
Direct integration with IMAP with app password provides secure, real-time access to emails directly from the mail server using the Internet Message Access Protocol. All data transfers are encrypted, with access controlled through robust authentication methods from the email service provider. This ensures safe handling of email data while enabling seamless automation for archiving, parsing, compliance, and business workflows. In order to ensure that there is direct integration with IMAP with app password, here is what you need to do. Go to the Admin Panel section of your SuiteCRM 8. Firstly, select this option, Create Inbound Settings. You will arrive at the Inbound Settings page where you will have to fill in the required details. Specify your inbound email address. Most importantly, you will have to choose IMAP under Use label. Choose your product as the email archiver. Ensure that the active status is enabled. Fill the other required details down at the bottom. Click on Save. For your demonstration, we have already created an inbound setting. This is our email address. As you can see, we have selected IMAP under Use label. The product is chosen as Email Archiver. As you can see, we have not selected anything under Mail label. In IMAP with app password, email label is directly configured. After doing this, you can make sure that there is direct integration with IMAP with app password. This is extremely important to ensure that data is being handled via safe and secure channel.
Email subject-based auto-association. This refers to checking if an email subject line contains an email address. When the subject line of an email contains a valid email address, the system will automatically link the email to the corresponding records history subpanel. This helps ensure conversations are accurately tracked without manual effort. Email body-based auto-association. This checks whether the email body contains any email addresses. If an email address is found within the body of the email, the system will intelligently attach the email to the matching record, ensuring better association and visibility of communication across records. Let me demonstrate you how email subject-based auto-association and email body-based auto-association works. From the drop-down menu, select Email Archiver Receiver Settings. You will arrive at the screen of Email Archiver List View. When we create an inbound setting, then these receiver settings are automatically created. You will see Email Archiver Receiver Setting for your inbound email address. Select it. You will now arrive at the screen, which will show you a detailed view of the record. Now, ensure that the body address check and subject address check are enabled. Then, go to your contacts module containing the list of your contacts. For your understanding, we have created 3 records here. Suppose we click on a contact. We will see the detailed view of the contact. This is the email address of the contact. This is the name of the contact, Noah Johnson. Scroll down and you will see the history subpanel of the contact record. You will now see no record here. It means that no interaction has taken place yet. Now, select View Contacts and open the list view once again. We have 2 more contacts here. Now, sign into your email ID and compose your mail. We are sending an email to outrightcrm2@gmail.com. Remember, this is the email address of Noah Johnson. In BCC, include your inbound email. In the subject line, we are adding an email address, outrightcrm6@gmail.com. This is the email address of our contact, Isabella Martinez. Now, in the body section, there is a 3rd email address, outrightcrm5@gmail.com. This is the email ID of our contact, Ava Wilson. Hit Send. Now, return to your CRM and refresh the page. Let us first check the history subpanel of Noah Joseph. As you can see, the email has been attached to the history subpanel. Now, let us check the history subpanel of Isabella Martinez. The email has been attached to her history subpanel as well. Ava Wilson's email address is in the body section of the email. And as you can see, the email has been attached to her history subpanel as well.
Active opportunity attachment automatically attaches emails or files to open opportunities. If you have selected Skip Sales stage, the email or file will not be attached to opportunities in that stage. This keeps the focus on active deals while maintaining a clean and relevant record history. Let me demonstrate it's working for you. Return to the Record Detail view of Email Archiver Receiver setting. See the Actions drop-down menu on the right-hand side. Click on it. Then, click Edit. You will now arrive at the Record Edit view. Now, we have to enable the Attach an Opportunity option. We have the option to skip any of the sales stages. For the sake of demonstration, let us skip Closed 1. Click Save. Now come back to your detail view and see that you have saved Closed 1 as your skip sales stage. We have already created 2 opportunities in the Accounts module record for demonstration. As you can see, we have a record in the list view of accounts module, Olivia Brown. This is her email address. Now you can see her history subpanel is blank, and there is an opportunity subpanel where we have already created 2 opportunity records. In Sales Deal 1, we have selected qualification as the sales stage. In Sales Deal 2, we have selected Closed Won as the sales stage. Now, compose an email and send it to Olivia Brown. As you can see, this is her email address in the To field. Hit Send. Now, return to your record and refresh the page. You can see in the History subpanel that the email has been attached. Now, open Sales Deal 1, Opportunity Record. Since the sales stage was selected as qualification, the email is attached to the History subpanel of the opportunity as well. Let us see what happens with Sales Deal 2. Click on the opportunity record. Since we had selected the sales stage as Closed Won, which was the skip sales stage, the email does not get attached. Smart AI Email Attachment Analyzer. This enables AI-powered scanning of email attachments. The system can analyze the contents of files to extract email addresses and automatically attach them to the related record, making information easier to find and act on. Go to the Record Detail view of the Email Archiver Receiver settings. There is a section panel, AI Scan. Here, you will have to enable Scan Attachments using AI. Currently, it is not enabled. In Actions drop-down, click on Edit. Scroll down and enable this option. Save your settings. You can see in the Detail view that the option is now enabled. Let us show you how it works with the help of one of the records we have already created in Contact module. Choose a record. We have selected Isabella Martinez, and this is her email address. Compose an email. In the To field, we can have any email address. However, in BCC, we must have the inbound email address. Let us add an attachment to the email. This is our attachment. We have the email address of Isabella Martinez in the attachment. Hit Send. Now, open the record of Isabella Martinez and refresh the page. As you can see, the email has been added to her History subpanel. Open the History record. Notice that the attachment file has been mapped and is now downloadable. Attachment logging. Attachment logging with Email Archiver allows your system to capture and store email attachments in CRM. This eliminates the risk of important documents being missed or lost in inboxes, while also making them easily accessible for teams or systems like CRMs. We will show the functionality of this feature by sending an email with an attachment to one of our contacts, Ava Wilson. This is the record of Ava Wilson. And this is her email ID. Compose an email. In the To field, we have included the email address of Ava Wilson. As you know, in BCC, there should be an inbound email address. Add an attachment. Hit Send. Now, let us check the record history of Ava Wilson. Refresh the page. Go to the Record History subpanel. As you can see, the email has been recorded. Open the record and see the attachment has also been mapped. The file is also downloadable. So, that's it. This is how this simple yet effective solution can turn your email data into a repository of insights. We live in a world where email drives client communication. Key messages often get lost in the shuffle. Manual logging slows you down. It's tedious, forgettable, and leaves your CRM outdated. Email Archiver solves this by automatically capturing and syncing every email to the right contact, lead, or account. No plugins, no extra steps. Just send your email with a unique address, and it's instantly logged in your CRM, visible to your whole team. It works across Gmail, Outlook, and mobile, keeping your data secure, compliant, and always up to date. So, if Olivia's company purchases our product, the following things will happen. Automate logging of email data directly into CRM. No email will get buried in the inbox, and no data will be lost. Her manager can see what she and her team are communicating with clients. When a client calls in her absence, Another sales representative can check her records and find what she was communicating, ensuring contextually relevant conversations. No follow-ups will ever get missed, no deals will ever slip through the cracks, and total accountability will be ensured. So, stay connected, close deals faster, and keep your CRM working for you effortlessly. For more details and productivity-driving plugins, check out our website, store.outrightcrm.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.